If you haven't subscribed, please do. Like and comment. My channel is about lifestyle, cooking, and everything. Most of the time it's gonna be cooking, and my friends gonna be here. So the channel is all about, you know, cooking and chatting and having fun at the same time. You know, doing, you know, everyday thing. Today we're cooking ham chicken potato salad. It's very high protein food. So for my recipe today, you know, usually when you have your potato salad, it's all about, you know, eggs and everything like that. But this time it's about making more, you know, colorful and spicy, you know, enjoyable. You know, you don't wanna just, you know, go for like simple this time. So that's why I chose to, you know, to have my chicken and some diced ham, some potato, the main ingredient, carrot, tomato, and also I have my sauteed butter, garlic, and peas and black pepper. So that's all we need for today recipe. I call it ham chicken potato salad. But before I start it, let me put on my apron. So I have my apron on. How do I look, guys? Okay, let's just start it. So guys, my water is boiling right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and then, you know, peel my potatoes. So guys, let me know how you doing and how you coping with the lockdown and everything like that, you know, on the comment below. Thank you. So, guys, this is your potato. You cut it in the same size. I believe I cut them in the same size, as you can see. So my water is boiling, and then I'm just gonna put my potato in the water slowly. And so I'm gonna use the fork to help it out. I think I put too much water, like, you know. Okay. My bad. I think I put too much water. Here we go. Guys, while my potato is, you know, boiling, and I'm gonna leave it for about like 5 to 10 minutes. It's gonna be boiling. So I'm gonna cut the rest of my ingredients and everything like that. So I'll start with the carrot. I need to cut them, you know, I need to dice them so very, very thin. So here we go. My carrot. After I cut my carrot, I'm gonna cut the celery and so the chicken. See, I cut the carrot and everything like that. So put I have my bowl here. I'm just gonna put in a bowl, and after the carrot, I need to cut my celery. Here we go. So I'm cutting my celery right now, and my potato is boiling. So right now everything looking good. Here we go. So I cut them and just gonna put one side. So for your tomatoes, you only need one tomato. It's gonna be like sliced. So all you need is to slice your tomato, I mean very nicely. I don't know. I always like wanna do like with chef and everything like that, So got my tomato friendly. Here we go. So very juicy. So you don't wanna cook what you call it, your carrot. It's gonna be pre-cooked because you don't wanna cook, too much of your carrot and vegetable. You don't want to lose the nutrition inside, so you're just gonna like maybe 3 minutes of boiling or something like that. The chicken potato salad is very high protein, it's the chicken in it and everything like that. It's also healthy, we says healthy, says mine. Says me. So guys, while my potato is boiling, I'm gonna pre-cook my carrot and my peas. So it's gonna take like 3 minutes pre-cooked. You don't have to make it much, so you don't wanna lose the nutrient inside. So here we go with my carrot in it. By the way, the frozen peas, you can use any peas you want. I got them frozen, so here we go. So I sliced my tomatoes, just gonna put it to one side. Here we go. Chicken, that's your chicken here. Here. So you get the chicken breast here, boneless chicken breast. And all you have to do is to cut them, square, dice them square and in a very, same size. So, I already finished cut it. So we're gonna wait now for our vegetable to cook, and then we're gonna start the next stage of our recipe. So stay tuned. So guys, my potato is ready, so I gonna drain the potato section of our cooking, and here we go. Before the last section, so this is the second section. So I'm gonna put my butter and add my chicken. So you wanna make sure that the chicken actually cook, when you get the gold, get the gold color. So we gonna wait until keep stirring so it can cook. So the chicken is cooking, slow cook. So what you do next is to mix all your vegetable in the bowl. So add your carrots and you wanna add your tomatoes as well. There we go. And add some celery. So here we go. Add your celery and so use a pan and mix it up. Make sure you mix it very nice. So you mix it out. Just allow your ham. So add your ham and let it cook it just a little bit. So we're gonna wait for about 3 minutes. so just for the ham to cook, you know. So here we go. Oh my gosh, looking good already. Already, and it smells good as well, you know. So guys, whenever you try, let me know, comment and like, you know. Smelling so good already. So we're gonna wait for 5 minutes and then take it out. This is how it has to be. So my chicken and my is cooked. So just what you do, just, you know, mix everything together. So it's just all about mixing. So put my chicken. So here we go. We got our mashed potato. So before I had the mayonnaise, I have my garlic, my crushed garlic here. You guys know how much I love garlic. Gosh, it's so good. You know, I put garlic in everything, you know, my lunch, you know, when I do sandwich and everything like that, I would put garlic because it's very nice, isn't it? Here we go. Just whenever you have your garlic, just, you know, slowly and, you know, mix it so the garlic gonna get inside, you know, everything like that. So I had my garlic, and then after the garlic you had your mayonnaise. Here we go. You can use any mayonnaise you want, you know, but I choose this. So I had my mayonnaise. Oh god. Then add your last ingredient, black pepper. So I'm gonna have a bit, that's one. So add your mayonnaise, and here we go. Turn and just have to mix it up. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Oh my god, don't tell me you won't like that one. So guys, if you try, let me know, because this is actually amazing. I like the color. It's like colorful, the protein, the fiber, everything is like rich in fiber, rich in protein. Guys, you should check this one out. So good. Oh my gosh. And also smelling good. And then of everything here is looking so good. The mayonnaise, everything is just so boom. I mean, this is a 10. You know what I mean? Oh, this is a 10. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And guys, we see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, to comment and share with your friends, and let me know in the comment how did you get on with my recipe. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Bye.